Hey guys, Vanakkam and welcome to In Kitchen Studio. Today we are going to see really a craving recipe, Ambur Mutton Dum Biryani. Let's get into the video now. Let's start with soaking 3 cups of Siraga Samba rice for half an hour after washing it well. Ambur Mutton Biryani is usually prepared with this Siraga Samba rice and not with Basmati. Siraga Samba is a tiny grain fluffy rice and it is very easy to digest also. The other ingredient which plays a vital role in this biryani is dry red chilli paste. So for this, 13 dry red chillies are soaked in hot water for half an hour. Here I am using round dry red chillies, but Kashmiri red chillies are preferable. And for an exotic additional flavor, I am getting ready with crushed 5-whole skin garlic pods and 4-inch crushed ginger peas. This hand crushed ginger garlic paste gives a wholesome flavor for this biryani. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed in Kitchen Studio yet means, please subscribe in Kitchen Studio and click on the bell icon. And my vibrant red chilli paste is ready by grinding the soaked red chillies finely. All the ingredients are ready now. Let's move on to the biryani pot. Heavy bottom biryani pan is preferable for dum biryani. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil is added to it and tempered with 3-inch cinnamon sticks, 8 small green cardamoms and 15 cloves. Five sliced big sized onions are needed for this biryani. And now I am going to add only half of the sliced onions to the hot oil and saute for a minute. And remaining onions will be added later along with red chilli paste. After a minute of sauteing, the well crushed 5-whole garlic pods are added to the onions and sauteed till onions get caramelized well. Well crushed 4-inch ginger peas is added to the caramelized onions and sauteed for a minute. Followed by adding 1 finely chopped big sized tomato and stirred well. Then half teaspoon turmeric powder, kneaded salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder are added and gave a good stir. Actually, garam masala powder and fenugreek seed powder, these 2 ingredients are not commonly used in the traditional method of preparing Ambur mutton biryani. But here I am using these 2 ingredients for the enhanced flavor. And really the biryani tastes highly fabulous. Followed by adding red chilli paste to the pan. After a good stir, the remaining sliced onions are added and sauteed for 5 minutes. 1 cup each coriander leaves and mint leaves are needed for this biryani. And now while sauteing along with onions, I am going to add half of the mint leaves and coriander leaves and saute well with other spices. Meanwhile, for fenugreek seed powder, quarter cup of fenugreek seeds are dry roasted, powdered finely and stored. This powder could be used in both veg and non-veg recipes. Fenugreek seed powder highly helps in the reduction of cholesterol, sugar level, etc. After 5 minutes of sauteing, well beaten half cup yogurt or curd is added to the mixture of onion tomato and stirred well. Now to this, 1 kg chopped big size mutton pieces are added and gave a good stir. And let it cook for 5 minutes. Followed by adding 3 cups of hot water to mutton and let it cook to 3/4 with the lid closed so that the mutton gets cooked easily. Meanwhile, let's pre-cook the rice. A pot filled with 3/4 water is kept for boiling here. 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil is added to the boiling water, followed by adding the soaked Siraga Samba rice, and the rice is cooked just for 3 minutes. The rice should be cooked to 1/4 only. Then the excess water is drained and 1/4 cooked Siraga Samba rice is kept ready for biryani. If the rice is overcooked means it would get mushy while making dum. Now half lemon juice is squeezed to 3/4 cooked mutton in biryani pan. At this stage, salt could be adjusted and 1 teaspoon black pepper powder is added and stirred well. Continued by adding the remaining coriander leaves and mint leaves and after giving a good stir. One-fourth cooked Siraga Samba rice is added to the biryani pan, gently stir and level. The key point should be noted while making dum is the flame should be in low. Perfect texture of biryani could be achieved only when the biryani is cooked in lower flame. Now the biryani pan is ready for dum. Perfectly lightened charcoals are also ready. For making dum, first a flat tawa is placed on low flame Biryani pan is placed on the tawa and it is perfectly closed with a flat surface aluminium plate. Now the red hot charcoals are placed on top of the aluminium plate. Charcoals are spread around the plate as shown to ensure the circulation of heat all over the pan. Dum making process is over now. Let the biryani be in dum for 20 minutes in low flame. In case of no charcoals, a flat utensil filled with hot water could be placed on top of the aluminium plate and the dum could be made. It also works well. But the smoky flavor in biryani could be achieved only with charcoals. Now it is done. The lid should be removed very carefully. Flavors of spices, vibrancy and hotness of red chili paste, freshness of hand-crushed ginger and garlic, the essence of perfectly cooked mutton are well incorporated with the fluffy Siraga Samba rice and infused with the smoky flavor in a balanced way. This exotic Ambur mutton dum biryani is really top of the world. Try it out and enjoy, friends. To view more delicious recipe videos, just subscribe in Kitchen Studio and click on the bell icon and keep supporting us by hitting likes, shares and leaving comments. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.